Hello and welcome to our latest tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to change your gallery skin. So, let's dive in and get started. Let's start by installing the Essential Grid Gallery app from the Shopify App Store. You can find the link and a quick description below. We're on the dashboard now. Since we've already created a gallery, click on the Edit Gallery button. You're currently viewing our skin in hover mode. Now, we'll change the skin style. Now click on the Skin tab. This is the skin we currently have active. Take a look at the many stunning skins available. You're sure to find one you love. Feel free to try them out and see what works best for you. We are going to change this skin and select it. Click the Save Gallery button. If you want to see which skin is selected for your gallery, you can check the Selected Skin tab. Click the Save Gallery button. Let's check our changes in the live preview. Reload or refresh this page. Look at how the skin style effortlessly transforms on hover, bringing a sleek, dynamic, and modern vibe to your gallery. Let's add another stunning skin style. We have selected this one. Then, save the gallery again to apply the changes. Check the live preview again to see the changes. Check out how our newly selected skin displays perfectly when you hover. There are many beautiful skin styles you should try to captivate your visitors and customers. We hope this video helps you create a stunning gallery. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.